Gasping for air, former mine worker Gastoni Puli says he's had trouble breathing for years. But this is the first time he's seeking medical advice. He's being examined by a doctor in a clinic in Gabon's capital of Libreville. Puli is among thousands of miners working in the mineral-rich southeast that say the uranium and magnesium mines in the region are causing health problems for the people. Environmental activists and residents in the area accuse French mining company Areva and its local Gabonese subsidiary, Comuf, of knowingly exposing its employees and people living near its mining zones to harmful materials. After years of pressure from local NGOs who threatened to boycott Areva's, the mining company launched an initiative to treat thousands of former miners who worked for the company.
The doctor examined me this morning and gave me my test results, x-rays, blood tests and so on. The doctor said that I was fine, but that I needed to come back in 2 years and get tested again.
I always tell them that one can have diabetes or HIV/AIDS, and it's not because one works in the mines that one will either be HIV positive or have diabetes. So we need to identify what the patient is suffering from and find out if it is linked to exposure while working in the mines.
According to environmental activists, mining activity in the region has led to pollution of rivers and soil and the disappearance of fish. For half a century, some of the world's biggest uranium mines worked in this region, making Muanda a flourishing industrial town. Eli Naburi, former mine worker, says he experienced health problems after working in the mine and feels abandoned by Gabon's government and Areva.
We were not aware that there was radioactivity. We were only told later when they started examining us. But 2 years later, they are still not telling us what we suffer from. Our medical results have never been released and no medication was prescribed. No one was compensated.
Residents say even houses in Muanda are contaminated by radioactive waste because they were constructed from mud from the area. The houses have now been marked to be destroyed by the International Atomic Energy Agency. The technical director at Comuf says safety measures were in place, but many workers did not understand the dangers of working in the mines. Jiitu Abraham, CCTV.